Hey everyone, I hope you will be fine. Today we have received a question that how to transform a life. ज़िंदगी को मुकम्मल तौर पर किस तरह बदला जा सकता है. देखें चीज़ों को हम किस तरह हैंडल करते हैं, चीज़ों को हम किस तरह इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, वो कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जिसको हम यूटिलाइज़ करते हैं फॉर अ पॉजिटिव पर्पस एंड नेगेटिव पर्पस. देखें हर चीज़ में इंसान 2 से 3 पहलू निकाल सकता है, लेकिन अगर आप मनफी पहलू हमेशा निकालते हैं एज़ कम्पेयर टू पॉजिटिव पहलू, तो यकीन माने आपकी डिक्लाइन हो रही है ज़िंदगी, ना कि आप फॉरवर्ड जा रहे हैं. पॉजिटिव लें चीज़ों को. इसके अलावा क्लैरिटी एंड डिसिप्लिन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ़ यू आर नॉट क्लियर टुवर्ड योर लाइफ, इफ़ यू आर नॉट क्लियर to do something great, if your path is not clear, then definitely your actions are not performed according to your expectation, and the result will not be like your expectation also. So first of all, clarity. Take the thing in a positive way, and your daily habits and how to spend your spare time especially. और इसके अलावा बहुत सी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन मेन चीज़ ये है कि आप कितना चीज़ों को पॉजिटिव लेते हैं और चीज़ों के साथ इंटरेक्ट करने का आपका एटीट्यूड, आपका बिहेवियर उनके साथ किस तरह का है. तो इट्स रियली एंड हाईली मैटर्स अ लॉट. So if you have these type of things in yourself, definitely you can transform your life in the short duration, rather than for example, if I give example for that person who have no clear goal in his life, definitely he can't achieve anything big in his life. All the days is going like wind, so definitely his time is also passed. So this is the negative thing, and most of the people, I said most of the people, is revolved around this clock. So if you want to if you want to become like the person who is away from these type of things, who is beyond to these type of thing, definitely clarity. And clarity, like you must have the clear path of your life, that what do you want to do from your life, and what is the purpose of your life, and how much positive things you takes, and remove all the eradicate all the negative terms from your life, and do good, have good is the basic thing. So these are the basic tips I want to give you if you want to grow and if you want to transform your life. So if you have any type of query, you can ask me in the comment section.